Welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I am going to show you how you can implement various kind of integration in Nazmart. So let's log into the Nazmart admin panel. Go to integration. Here you will find various kind of integration available, including Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Ad Role, WhatsApp, Messenger, and various kind of other things. So when you decided to use Google Analytics for your Nazmart website, you will find this configuration very helpful. Let's click on Active Google Analytics 4 to make this Google Analytics 4 available in the website. Click on the Active button, click on Yes, click on Settings. Now you will see two options. One is your Google Analytics 4 ID and another one is tenant, yes or no. This tenant means that this Google Analytics will also load in your all of user websites. If you enable it, it will this Google Analytics 4 property will be load all the website created using your platform. This is helpful when you want to track all of your user website using your Google Analytics. For our case, we don't need it. Just click on No. Now we need to add a Google Analytics 4 ID here. Let me show you how you can get this ID for yourself. Analytics, Google Analytics, and select property, and then click on tracking info. Click on tracking code. Here it is. This is the ID. You need to copy and paste it here. Now click on Save Changes. Your integration is done. Similar way, you can configure Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, Ad Role, WhatsApp. WhatsApp means you can configure showing WhatsApp in your website. Similarly, Messenger means you can configure showing Messenger icon in your website. Similarly, all other chat widgets available, including the Instagram and Google Captcha V3 API configuration. Let me show you another thing which is WhatsApp's chat icon, how you can enable it for your website. First, we have to click on Active button. Click Active. Now click on Settings button. You will see a initial message options. You can set any initial message for the users. Add your phone number with your country code. Let's click on Save Changes and click on Visit Site. Here you will find options for WhatsApp chat available in your website. Similar processes for your user websites as well. They will see the same interface. They can configure it in same way. So I hope now you understand how you can use integration for your Nazmart multi-source website. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.